So what is up guys, this is Luke once again and welcome back to LD Gaming. So this time around, time out muna tayo sa motovlogs and we will be unboxing this, a gaming TV from Sony. So without further ado, let's start!
LD Gaming.
Midnight fries. I need some midnight fries. I need some.
Ang hirap i-unbox. Ang laki pala niya. So yan, we have removed the box itself. I mean the packaging itself. So now, hindi ko muna tatanggalin sa box because I will connect the mounting bracket for the wall mount already. Since we won't use the stands itself because we have a wall mount. So yeah, let's go.
Now we racing. Are you down with that?
Nakakabit na yung kable. Teka, hawa ko ilalim. Okay. Moment of truth, kakasya ba siya? In-adjust ko pa yan, ha? Kakasya ka ba dyan, pa? Sai!
Okay, go. Oh,
So, hindi sumabit. Hindi namin kita, hindi natin kita.
Tansyahan lang. Yan, sumabit na sa akin, Mat.
Sa'yo?
Oh, tumunog eh. Yan oh, sa'yo, Mat.
Wala.
Dikit mo lang. Baba, angat mo.
Oh.
Oh. Ayan, tinanggal ko na ulit.
Oh, sige.
Itit mo yung sa hindi.
Oh, hawak ko, sige.
Hindi ganito sa isa, pag ganito. Yan. Kasi dapat nakatilt. Naku. Hindi, oo. Nakatilt dapat yung...
Oh, sige.
Yan, sige, Mat. O, papasok mo sa'yo. Yung Mat, teka lang, wait lang.
Teka, hawak ko.
Ayan, kakabit na.
Parehas na?
Oo.
Parehas na?
Oo, yung lalim, lock mo. Okay na.
Teka, i-adjust muna.
Adjust mo muna yung...
Usog mo na muna.
So?
Ang hirap. Putang ina. Wall mount pa more. So, aalisin na ngayon natin ang protective carton. So, for this TV, per se, we need a LAN cable because it's a smart TV. It's a Google TV, to be exact.
From the highest of heights to the depths of hell.
So Google Home app, then scan. We'll do the scanning. So add device here. Set up device. There you go. Patient access. Looking for device. So yeah, as you can see, it has found the Google TV automatically. So click yes, scan code, and there you go. Done. Easy as that. So as you can see, we're done. So let's see. Nice. So for the apps, YouTube, Apple TV, Disney Plus, Sony Select, YouTube Music, and so much more. So we could install Spotify. Obviously, we need that. And we're done. So here are the things that we got: the exhaust, the mid-length tank pad assembly base, and a jet tag, all from GR Auto. So cold start and the stock exhaust. Boom! So let's see if it works. So it's now working on the what's this? On the sound system, which is good since we are also using a Sony system, as you can see there. This is the Sony Moteki sound system, which cost what's that? Around 400 to 500,000. So it's really matching since it's one ecosystem. Sony Bravia, Sony Moteki sound system. So there you go. So now we'll just test the 4K if it really works. So we'll find videos of 4K from Sony itself. So yeah, Sony 4K videos. There. So 4K demo. Let's see. This one. Let's see if it works. So for the audio, the system automatically detects it. It's in PCM here.
Open your eyes. This is Sony 4K. Beyond
So yeah.
4 times the 1920 by 1080. It will take you to
Nope. 4K, please.
another world.
There. That's 4K. And as you can see, the brightness is really good. Like it's in max brightness. It's around I forgot how many nits it is, but it's really bright, like super bright. As you can see, my hand, look at my hand versus the TV itself. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching.